All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my four-way winner's choice. This is the main. So we'll check the time, April 27th at 7:47 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have April 27th at 7:47 p.m. There is the list of our 25 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Anthony. Spot 21 is your winner. So, Anthony, please message me your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 27th. 7:47 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.